The designation electrical safety inspector is not a nationally standardized term. States individually define and title professionals authorized to inspect electrical installations. Therefore, consistency in this terminology cannot be assumed across the country. It is crucial to understand that the specific title for individuals certified to inspect electrical work is subject to state and local regulations. This means that while Ohio may use the term electrical safety inspector, other states may employ different titles to describe individuals performing similar functions. Here are some examples of alternative titles that may be encountered. Firstly, electrical inspector. This is a fairly common and broad term, generally referring to individuals who inspect electrical installations for compliance with relevant codes and standards. Secondly, electrical code inspector. This title emphasizes the inspector's role in verifying that electrical work adheres to the electrical code in effect in that jurisdiction, such as the National Electrical Code, also known as NEC. Thirdly, electrical safety compliance inspector. This term highlights the focus on safety and adherence to safety regulations within electrical installations. Fourthly, building inspector with electrical specialization. In some areas, building inspectors may have a specialization in electrical systems, allowing them to inspect electrical work as part of a broader building inspection process. And fifthly, electrical plan examiner. This title refers to individuals who review electrical plans and drawings to ensure compliance with codes and regulations before construction begins. Furthermore, the specific requirements for certification or licensing of electrical inspectors can vary significantly from state to state. This variation leads to a diverse range of titles and qualifications for individuals performing electrical inspections. To ascertain the correct and officially recognized term for electrical inspectors in a specific location, consult the relevant state authorities, such as the state's licensing board for electrical contractors or the department responsible for building codes and regulations. These authorities can provide clarification on the specific titles, certifications, and qualifications required for electrical inspectors within their jurisdiction. This also means that reciprocity between states for electrical inspector certifications may not exist. If you are an electrical inspector seeking to work in a different state, you will likely need to meet that state-specific requirements, which may include passing an examination or completing additional training. Therefore, it is always advisable to conduct thorough research into the local regulations and requirements before undertaking any electrical inspection work in a new area. In summary, the title electrical safety inspector is not a universal term. Different states use a variety of titles for individuals certified to inspect electrical installations, and the specific requirements for certification can also vary. Always verify the official term and requirements with the relevant state authorities to ensure compliance with local regulations. This information is essential for anyone seeking to become an electrical inspector or hiring one to ensure the inspector is properly qualified and authorized to perform inspections in its specific jurisdiction. The variance in terminology underscores the importance of clear communication and understanding of local regulations within the electrical industry. Failure to recognize these differences can lead to misunderstandings, compliance issues, and potentially unsafe electrical installations.